Out and back.
Pressure.
Okay.
Alright.
Dad, come here. Like a baby. Hello.
Yes! This is the night before. Right now it's approximately about 9:30. We have everything ready. Jamir in there, so Alyssa in there, so Daddy out here, so you know the thing. Look, everything is ready for you, my boss. What you call it? Yeah. Your little swing. Living room well clean and speak and spang. You see me? Everything clean. Let me turn the camera. Take the focus off for myself. Everything is in order, my boss. Place clean from floor to ceiling. Your stroller is all ready and waiting, my son. You see it? See it there? We have everything set up for you. This is from your brother. This is for protection. You see me? This is from your brother. This is for protection. Jamir had this at birth and we're passing it down to you, a bracelet. You see it? So I just put it on this so I don't forget to put it on your morning when you're born. So yeah, everything is ready and waiting for the boss. You see it? The living room, everything is in order. You don't know daddy doing little interior design and mommy and Jamir love to jump up in a car. Back up, bro. See your brother there, your big brother.
I'm so excited to have my brother here, but I just feel excited, but I don't feel excited.
Come closer, contact. Why you feel excited, but you don't feel excited? What that, boy?
It's like, I just don't know how to explain it. It's like, I'm just not excited that much.
You're
right
excited,
now.
but it's like nervousness at the same time. Probably that's
yeah,
it.
and that's why he had me.
Hey. Pull up your couch and fix a while ago. I'm to some man. Don't come. Leffy, please. Please, me no want to stop you. Leffy.
Cut it.
It cut already. Go. Yeah, Leffy. So see, daddy are doing thing on ready and waiting. I say, come on, take camera now, youth. You see me? We're ready for you, my boss. Ready, everything correct. Back up. Stop. Let me just do a recording. You see who coming on camera. Oh, yeah, man. Everything nice and clean and I wait for you, youth. You see that? Clean. All the stove, but when I cook for you, everything curry down. See, your brother is start me. My camera them there, so ready and waiting. And me a charge the next camera there over there. So you see it? Yeah. So you don't know, I go interview your mother right now and interview you in a belly. Want to tell you to worm here? On the ground. Want to him? Want to baby? Back up my little baby. We're gonna have two baby in our house. And Jamir, back up. Yeah, he is, my act like one. So yeah, we can interview your mother. Turn on light.
No, hot chef.
I interview your mother. Say it, talk. Yeah,
Well,
say.
you didn't have to do it right now.
No, I'm gonna start
I'm
raw
not ready.
footage, mama.
Okay.
Yeah, bed for God bed. How you
So,
feeling?
get ready to
Couple
prepare.
hours. Turn side there, make you get a view of the boss. Yes. Alright, see you there now, my boss.
Jam, that's not funny.
Stop your
Don't do that.
foolishness. Back yourself up. Back up now, youth. And stop rub up on people's skin.
So anyways, come here.
Seriously, set your mind there talk. Don't interrupt me, man.
So yeah, so I'm getting ready for bed.
Hold on. Shine up the camera. Yeah, go on now.
I'm getting ready for bed.
Mm.
So then do my hair, wash my hair, all that stuff. Look a little bit presentable tomorrow. I look great. I want to tidy up a little bit, sweep around, just do a little dust up.
I don't know, man.
I just feel like I need a
The
little
place is
dust
done
up.
clean already.
Yeah, but I need a little dust up. Everything's packed. Speaking of, I need to get pillowcases for the pillows.
And if you bring me stuff from my living room. So we don't left
Bench.
nothing.
You don't have to bring the baby. Well, bring it.
Everything.
Whatever.
Bag them and everything.
Yeah. I'm nervous for the surgery, but I'm excited for the outcome, right?
Mm-hmm. Up top! Big up yourself, you know, big up yourself. My boss! See him there, see him there, see him there, see him there. I see a little alien brother here, so I can say, trouble! Where from us, sir? 2 pillow. Bag, this a mommy bag and baby bag. Right, that you know. Just set them as so we don't forget nothing. It's a baby bag, mommy bag. I just take out the car seat at the same time. From now, I set up the car seat in the car already and all of them sick. You see it? I want to take out that thing now. I'm going to take out this again. Okay, right, so. Beautiful. Here we go. Take it out of the stroller. Yeah. We're set, we're ready. Yep. Pretty soon, you know. See me a car seat, you know, with my boss tonight, you know. You know anything already? Yes, no man. No, so I should have carried some of them things I go. Left in the car for now. But yeah. And with that, my boss. Set, ready and waiting. I lock off.
3:28 a.m.
What time now? Yeah, so that 4:35. I've been up since I wanna say after 3 can't go back to sleep. This is the morning of the operation. Alyssa bed. My batteries are charged. And yeah. It's our device so in the morning, rough and roaring. Because I'm going to be in the hospital for the entire day. Surgery commences at 7:30. So I have to be there for 5 o'clock for setup and everything. The bags are here, everything is my packed that up last night. Everything there is ready. What I need to do is to eat some breakfast because I'm going to put on my breakfast and then go brush my teeth. If I don't do that right now, it's like me if you use the bathroom already, like that nervousness there at the bottom of my belly, bro. Like, whoa. So, I feel like I'm going to use the bathroom next 3 times before me leave. Even sometimes we just go in there and nothing know and come, but your belly just feels so nervous, you know? Because it's the morning off. Excited, nervous at the same time. Jamir said last night, like, I'm excited, but not really. I know that feeling because I have that exact feeling right now. You see it, so. Let's go. Put on some oats and some egg. Hopefully we can eat the food because I'm so nervous right now. And in my bag I pack some protein shake and about 2 different protein shake because I go there at the hospital and I don't want to switch from my diet. And make sure I eat my breakfast. Probably my workout later on in the evening after I leave the hospital. But what else we need to do? I have a protein shake. I have some almond in my bag, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, make you put on little porridge. I'll show you what that looks like in a minute. Alright, my head out now. Jamir over this bus sleep TV on. Alyssa debrief the babysitter. Melanie the Empress looking rough in at the 5 a.m.
What?
Yes.
So yeah, make
so
sure.
hot girl you looking and wake
Shut
up.
How am I can leave in 2 minutes? I'm
I
shut up.
left out right now, you know.
So you just
Daddy.
put on there?
Yeah, if you look up porridge, couldn't eat the egg this morning. Probably get a snack later if we finish up my breakfast, but Sergio commenting 1.5 hour? Or 1 hour?
For what?
2 hour. Sergio.
2 hours basically. We're running a little bit behind, but
You know, we're running a little bit behind. You?
Who?
Right
Well, we're
on
both
time.
together, so it's the same thing. Yeah. I had to give her a debrief. Well, there was an accident where she was by her building, so she couldn't leave until, you know?
Accident, you really did?
Yeah. So that's why she came so late.
No, but she come 1:45.
Yeah. No, she didn't. She came at 5:15.
Exactly. We could have
Quarter after.
We could have left. You could have debriefed
No.
for 2 minutes.
No. Not
Right.
me. They're like, oh, just make sure he's good and walk away.
Yeah, that's it.
No, you have to do certain stuff like.
No, but I'm going to try to explain to you. It's a cool man. I'm going to try to explain to you. Jameer have sense, mama.
I know he does, Hot Chef.
You see me?
But it's good to give people important information that I feel like, to me, is important. Whatever, I give her all the information. I'll probably still text her all the information I sent her anyways.
I have to keep my steering low. So if I do something, I can't use my foot for kind of steer. This I kind of still a little bit high, but whatever.
Hi?
This.
Oh,
Now I'll keep
you
it
drive
little
low. You put it so low. I don't know how
Yeah,
you drive
because I
that.
steer with my foot sometimes. Just can't steer when I ground corner, obviously. But yeah, that's it for now. The last back, you know, reach at the hospital, I'm going to use my GoPro on my head. Hopefully, I ask them if I can use it and get some footage.
A few moments later.
You have